Want to try N8N right now without installing anything? Let's get you signed up and exploring N8N Cloud in about 60 seconds. I'm Stieg, and this is your instant first look. Okay, head to n8n.io and click that Get Started. We just need to create an account. Just the usual details here. The great thing is, the free trial lets you explore fully, often with no credit card needed up front. Quick email check, and we should be in. And just like that, we're in. Welcome to the N8N Cloud interface. Let's take a super quick tour. Workflows. This is your main canvas where you'll build all your automations. Credentials. Here's where you securely store logins for apps like Google, Slack, Airtable, etc. so N8N can connect to them. Executions. This lets you check if your workflows ran successfully or helps you troubleshoot if something went wrong. And templates. These are awesome starting points. Find pre-built workflows here so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Looking at credentials. What's the first app you think you'd want to connect? Let me know below. All right, let's build something incredibly simple just to see it work. We'll click Add Workflow. First, we need a trigger. Let's use the manual trigger. It just lets us start the workflow ourselves whenever we want. Now, add another node. Search for the No Operation or No Op node. It's perfect. It literally does nothing, but helps us complete the flow for this test. Now, the magic. Just click and drag from the little circle on the right of the trigger to the circle on the left of the No-Op node to connect them. Simple. Let's hit Test Workflow, and look at that. Green means success. You just built and ran your first N8N workflow. See? Trigger, action, success. That's the core concept. This cloud version is super convenient and starts with that generous 14 days free trial. If you decide cloud is right for you long term, paid plans are available on their website. Check the link in the description. But the great news is, N8N also offers a completely free option, which we'll set up step by step in the next video, the self-hosted version. As you saw today, getting started with N8N Cloud takes just minutes. It's perfect for trying it out. Want to see how to run N8N for free on your own setup? Click the follow and notification button to see the video when it comes out. If this quick start was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And subscribe to Amplify Imagination for more N8N and automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.